You're about to watch 12 videos by Debra Silverman about the 12 signs, and then there's going to be a series of 3 free videos that comes following it. First, watch the 12. They're all addressing what you can do as a sign relative to this crazy time we're in. And it's not going to change, said the astrologer. We are in a turning point. We're going from the Aquarian age, we've just left behind the Piscean age, and we're moving in that direction without a map. We don't really understand it. So many of us are feeling under the weather. Either we're depressed or we're losing our jump, we're losing our energy, we're losing our fun factor. And I'm here to reactivate that by saying to every sign specifically, what can you do to make sure you're contributing to the big picture? There's a documentary I'm strongly endorsing called Choose Earth, and it's been done by some luminaries, everyone from Lynn Twist, Joanne Macy, Jack Cornfield, the 3 top leaders about consciousness and the future. And their words are so strong. There's many others on the video that you're going to love. I want to endorse all of my audience and all of you listening as astrology students. What can I do to make a difference in a time where it feels like I can't do anything? We're going to get concrete with each sign. And then the 3-part video, for the first time, we're going to talk about the houses. So even as a beginner or an advanced student, you're going to figure out based on your chart where specifically your life lesson is in the house, where your passion is and the house, and the whole conversation about the houses. So stay tuned. First comes 12 free videos, then there'll be 3, and it's all me trying to tease you into saying, yeah, I want to go study astrology because coming soon to your neighborhood in September, the school begins.